Now let's talk about the stock market. We were seeing a great push up, whether it was the S&P, Nasdaq, Russell 2000, Dow Jones. Everything was taken up, and it was doing it in a way where we were seeing some level of broadening also, which is greatly needed in the market. I know that the AI trade is still the top tier trade, whether it's semiconductors, the memory. We were seeing healthcare and fintech and financials getting some uplift too. But as soon as Trump came out and said the war is back on and officially saying it is a war now, we saw a dip. And what this is doing is just killing momentum. The markets are trying to basically stabilize, at the same time continue this AI growth that we need. But with Trump's like reneging of anything with the MOU and peace deal, we will always see a little bit of downturn, because the real fear is these supply chains are going to get backed up. Oil prices are going to keep going up. It's going to be tougher for the world to do trade, especially in other nations like Asia, where a lot of our products get their supplies from. People can't ignore that. Even though Trump keeps saying we want to get away from it, it doesn't happen immediately. We know this, or else prices wouldn't be hiking like they are. As soon as Trump came into office, we should have seen some stabilization and a little bit of transition into us developing these things, but it doesn't happen overnight. So we still have to rely on Asia and those nations, and they all rely on Iran for their oil supply to be balanced and the Strait of Hormuz. Furthermore, if the ultimate goal is to get away from China, this war hasn't helped anything with that, because all it's done is increase the reputation of China. There's plenty of stats and data out now how people are viewing China as a superior nation than America. And that's really not good for the long-term growth, progression, anything, any facet. Once again, that cannot be good when the world is viewing China as basically the future of the world, essentially as a leading empire, the one that makes the right decisions and good decisions.